Welcome to Doctor's Diaries, Episode 2 with our Dr. Jyotika Gupta. She is our family physician and clinic lead at RxDx Samanvai. Welcome, Doctor.
Thank you.
Today, we will be discussing about typhoid fever. So, how is this typhoid fever caused, Doctor?
So, typhoid is caused by a bacteria called Salmonella typhi. It enters our body from the digestive system if we eat contaminated food or consume contaminated water, and then it causes an infection of the intestines.
What are the symptoms of typhoid and the time of onset?
So symptoms, it usually may start with a low grade fever and goes up to a high grade fever. There might be associated headache and severe fatigue and tiredness. Along with that, there may be nausea, vomiting, sometimes constipation or diarrhea, severe loss of appetite. So these are the symptoms that you must watch out for and immediately visit your doctor. But with typhoid, what happens is the symptoms may appear 1 to 2 weeks after the actual contraction of this bacteria. So it's very important that the symptoms are looked at.
So what is the treatment for this typhoid, Doctor?
So typhoid needs antibiotics for the full 14 days, and the course has to be completed, and never take antibiotics over the counter. Along with antibiotics, there is a lot of hydration that is required. Because of the fatigue and tiredness, the patient needs to take good rest. Along with that, home cooked soft food has to be taken with a lot of fruits and vegetables as well. In severe cases, the person may need hospitalization.
How can you prevent this, Doctor?
That's a very important question, and I think that is an important point to be noted. We have to keep our surroundings clean, practice good sanitation. So food, water must always be kept clean. Wash your hands before you eat food, and ensure you eat cooked food and fresh food. Don't have stale items. Don't eat something raw from the roadside. Along with all of this, there is a typhoid vaccination that is available. Ideally, it must be taken every 3 years, and especially must be taken before a travel to an endemic area.
It was nice having you here, Doctor.
Thank you.
We learned a lot about typhoid fever. Please do visit your doctor if any symptoms or if needed. Thank you.
Thank you.